Ditch the wire woes, we're about to liberate your ears and connect your AirPods to your Samsung S23 Ultra. First, swipe down from the top of your S23 Ultra to access the quick settings panel or head into the settings app. Then, tap on connections and select Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Now, with your AirPods in their charging case, flip open the lid. Locate the small setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold that setup button until you see the status light inside the case start to flash white. This puts your AirPods into pairing mode, ready to connect with your S23 Ultra. Back on your S23 Ultra, your AirPods should now appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Tap on AirPods to begin the pairing process. A pairing request will pop up on your phone. Tap Pair to confirm. Your AirPods are now connected to your Samsung S23 Ultra. You can now enjoy your favorite tunes, podcasts, and calls wirelessly. Boom, freedom achieved. Now, did you appreciate the clarity of wireless audio? Or do you value the seamless pairing process we walked through? If seamless pairing is your jam, like the video. If audiophile quality sound makes your day, hit subscribe. If finally understanding Bluetooth speaks to you more, leave a comment. And if this made you smile, give it a like.